I've got some old frames I need to clean up, and I keep looking on the bee websites, and they've got a tool for $19 to get in this groove right here. So I'm going to take these pliers, $3.99 at Harbor Freight, and I'm going to grind the ends down, or one end, so I can get it in those grooves to clean it up. I think it might give me a little more force to be able to pull it with this. It's pretty close, so I don't know how much I'll have to grind down, but we'll see what happens. So I didn't grind much of it off. I just kind of tapered a little bit, but I think it's going to be okay to get in here and get this stuff out here. Now, if you need to, you could probably open it up, pull it on. Now, this stuff is sticky. It's got some honey and everything in it, but I think it's going to do a good job. So for the $3.99 Harbor Freight, I think there is my $20 frame cleaning tool. And if anybody needs them, I'll sell them. They're $19.95, which is cheaper than $19.98 on the bee sites.